How would you like Kevin Fahey's $2,000 coaching program, pretty much, for less than $17? Well, that is what free AI money is, in the words of the man himself, and you'll see a video below with him saying that. So, free AI money, basically, his $2,000 coaching program, he realised was a bit out of date because of the fact of, AI has come in and changed everything. So, whereas he might have taught that you need to get copywriters and stuff like that to do your sales pages, you don't have to anymore. What I like about free AI money, apart from the fact it's dirt cheap and that it's basically, in his words, a replica of his $2,000 coaching program, free AI money uses only free tools to do everything, right? So you know that I've said many times, if you want to make money online, one of the best ways that you can do that is to become a creator yourself. That's the beauty of digital marketing. When we literally create digital products that cost nothing to create, and you can make as many as you want of them, and you can sell them for whatever you want. And that's why I keep saying to you that you need to make that transition from consumer to creator. You become the person that's selling the stuff rather than the person that's buying the stuff, and everything changes. And before you know it, you could be doing this in your part-time, in your spare time, but for a full-time income. It's a wonderful business to be in. You might see shiny objects being sent to you on a daily basis, and a lot of those are going to be softwares. Now, those softwares are not really making the vendors the money that they say they're making. The vendors are making the money from selling the products. All right. So if you see a training product like this, Free AI Money, for example, by Kevin Fahey, then that's going to taught to you by somebody who's doing it. Just the way I teach you with Breakthrough VIP and the Affiliate Directive is teaching you how to do this stuff. Now, my recommendation would be that you grab this, all right? You then take the training and you implement it. Because just like I say with my training, if you follow what I teach, you will get results. And if you follow what Kevin teaches, you will get results. So let me show you a little bit about this. Now, it says here, get the brand new replica of his $2,000 high ticket program for just $16.95 and takes just minutes to build using completely free AI tools. So Kevin says free AI money reveals a proven money making system using only free marketing tools and free AI tools, free hosting, free autoresponder, free sales system, free page builder, free content creation, free copywriting, free VSLs, free emails, everything 100% free. And I know that's important to a lot of you because I do get emails from you asking, when you buy the front end, is there anything else you need to spend, etc. And of course, sometimes there are other things that you have to spend. If you're making money, that's fine. But when a lot of you, I know, are in a position where you just need to save as much money as possible, make as much money rather than spend it. So that's why this really appealed to me. Now, what I've said here is, if you really want to start making money online consistently and easily, you can. Pretty much anyone can. I've seen people in this industry make insane amounts of money, and they're just normal people like you and me. You're way more likely to get success if you follow a training program rather than buying a shiny object, click button riches piece of software, as I said just now. So this free AI money is a perfect training program for anyone, whether you've tried this stuff before or you have no clue where to start. This has got you covered. Everything taught in here is using free AI tools, so you don't need to spend any more money. And then I've said, what's more, this is actually a replica of Kevin's $2,000 high-ticket coaching program, brought up to date to include the latest AI tools and slashed by almost 100% to a very low one-off price. And it's starting off at $16.95 on a dime sale. The sooner you get in, the cheaper it will be. My advice would be to grab this course. And then even if you think like, do you know what, I just got no money and no time to do this, got no money, but got no time to do this, then what I'd suggest you do is if you can find a quiet room to sit in and do an hour a day, then fantastic. If you can't, if your family life doesn't allow you to do that, etc., then if you've got a laptop and a pair of headphones, then maybe sit down in front of the telly with your significant other, your family, and while they're watching telly, you just say, I'm going to just have an hour on this. You put your headphones on, you take the training, you take some notes. And if you do that and work your way through and then begin to implement what you're taught, you'll be amazed at what can happen. Honestly, you will be amazed. You know, this stuff is not complicated. Literally what we do is we create digital assets and we sell them for whatever we want. And that's why it's so lucrative, because we don't have to go out and buy stock. We don't need a warehouse and pay rent on the warehouse. We don't need, delivery costs. We don't need to package anything. We don't need to do any of that stuff. We literally create something and we can sell it within a few minutes. And that's what I want you to be doing. All right, now I've got a massive bonus bundle for you here that I think you're going to really like. Spoken to Kevin, twisted his arm. I've got some of his IM checklists. Now these IM checklists I've got for you come with PLR, right? So you can rebrand them and resell them yourself. I've got ChatGPT, volume number 64. I've got affiliate marketing volume version 2, which is volume number 61, and 18 free traffic generation strategies, which is volume 54. So all these volumes are very recent volumes. They've got PLR rights, and that's a fantastic bonus for you just to kick off with. I've then got all the rest of these following bonuses for you. I've got training on how to create unlimited viral image quotes from scratch for free using AI, and that's training by me. Also got more training by me on how to get mid-journey inspiration and create stunning images in seconds. Now all of this is going to work really, really well with free AI money, all right? And this is only available through me, of course, because it's my training. Also going to give you Profit Kit, the front end and the OTO one. I'm going to give you Pick Phrase Pro. I'm going to give you ebook cash and the ebook cash OTO one. Then I'm going to give you my secret hacks for cash cheat sheet, affiliate marketing cheat sheet, my fast track to pimping PLR video training, my YouTube reviews training webinar that's valued at $497, and my Google Slides for Cash webinar valued at $497. The training in those two alone is worth thousands. All right, so this is a massive bonus bundle for you. It's all ready and waiting for you inside Warrior Plus. You just need to make sure that you buy it through me and that you are cookied to me. There is a video at the bottom of this page. It shows a different offer, but this video here will show you how to check that you are cookied to me. Okay, so this is the members area for free AI money. We've got a welcome video, and then we've got the introduction and case study. We've got creating your business, formatting and saving. We've got the traffic modules, three of those, funnel setup, and then there's a bump that you can get when you buy the front end. If you've got that bump, that's going to show you there. And then these are the upgrades. Now, everything in here is everything you need to know in order to, really start this business and use free AI tools to take all of the hard work out of it. I mean, I've looked at the case study that Kevin's got in here as well, and he shows that I think in 30 to 40 minutes, he was able to create all the content and the sales copy for the pages, the lead magnets, the opt-in pages, the whole thing, using this strategy that he's going to teach you. So it's very, very easy to use this and become a creator, and then everything changes. So here's the sales page. I'll let you go through this at your leisure. There are some testimonials on here that you'll see, and lots of proof. Kevin has got obviously a track record of success, so you know that you're going to get good stuff if you go through his training. Now, I know a lot of you are always kind of maybe concerned about upgrades, OTOs. They're a natural thing. They are a natural thing. The thing is, they can make such a difference to your experience, and so do consider them. Do watch the sales videos for them as you go through the funnel and decide what you want. But here's a preview of that. So you've got free AI money, which is the front end. That's starting at $16.95. It's going to go all the way up to $37. You've got a front end bump, which is the order bump, and that is the done for you funnel, free AI money done for you funnel. That's $14.95 up to $17. Then you've got the upgrade number 1, which is free AI money pro. That's $27 on a dime sale. So that's going to go up with each sale. Then you've got upsell number 2. Let me just shut that window. That's better. There was a helicopter going over. Upsell number 2 is list building masterclass, $27 on a dime sale. Upsell number 3 is the 365 sales system, $22 on a dime sale. Upsell number 4 is free affiliate funnels, $27 on a dime sale. Upsell 4A/B is free affiliate funnels reseller, $97 and $47. And then upsell number 5 is IM checklist gold membership, which is $3 for a trial and then $17 per month, I do believe. I think that's what that means there. So, yeah, that's my recommendation for you, is get this, go through the training. There's not too much there, but there's enough there to tell you everything that you need to know in order to start creating. And that's what I want you to do. And I want to see you create, and I want to see you sell. Everything's taken care of in here, including setting up on Warrior Plus and everything, so you can become just one of us. And when you do that, when you jump over that fence onto our side, everything changes. All right. So as always, if you've got any questions, please do let me know. Pick this up as soon as you can. Make sure you get it through my link and your cookie to me. Let me show you how to check that, just in case you haven't seen that yet. So you come through any of my links, you come through and see on the sales page, the sales button here. As you can see, it's already gone up to 1704. So that, as I said, that dime sale, there's only one copy left at that price. You need to get on this as soon as you possibly can. Click on that. That takes you through to the checkout page. And then on the checkout page, you've got that bump. This is the completely done for you funnel. Price is $14.95. I think that is incredible value. So I would definitely recommend that. And then just to check that your cookie to me, you go down here, hover over this, and you'll see ref 31584 Trevor C. That means your cookie to me, and the bonus access, which is ready and waiting for you inside Warrior Plus, will be there when you buy. Okay, so that's it. This is a winner, guys. Go and grab it, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.